Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and I'm here to show you a wonderful Christmas card class. I'm calling this class Decorating with Happiness. I don't know about you, but it just makes me so happy when I think about decorating the Christmas tree each year with all the beautiful ornaments and all the memories that includes. Well, I've developed this beautiful class for you. There's 8 cards, and they all use the Decorated with Happiness stamp set, as well as the Hope and Peace greetings. I've also got the decorated pines dies that go along with the Decorated with Happiness stamp set. It's a beautiful bundle. The possibilities for these stamps are just endless. I've put together a whole bunch of different looks for you. I can't wait for you to do this class. You're going to have so much fun and be able to create the most beautiful Christmas cards to send to your friends and family this year. Well, let's take a little closer look at what each of these cards looks like. Well, look at all the detail in these stamps. The Decorated with Happiness stamp is so awesome. It's got 3 different greetings and lots of foliage and ornaments. And of course, the Hope and Peace has 9 different greetings, great for both the inside and the outside of the cards. And of course, the Decorated with the Decorated Pines dies, there are 21 dies in here. There are ones that do their own little shape. There's ones that cut out the stamped images. And then look at all these different sizes of stars. There's 4 different sizes of stars that you can use on your cards. And I've added them to lots of the cards because they make the cutest little embellishment. So I wanted to tell you about the stamps that I've used. I've got Granny Apple Green, Garden Green, Evening Evergreen, Starry Sky, and Real Red. And then I've got a bunch of markers here as well for coloring in some of these ornaments. Well, let's just take a look at this one. Look at how cute and fancy this one is. I just love this little paper from Celebrate Everything, and it just has a cute little look. So that's one, and of course that's just been stamped and colored with the markers. And here, this one is the same concept as well. Done a little stamping and then coloring with the markers, adding in those little stars and a cute little bow. And I just love this little check pattern from our designer series paper. Oh, and my goodness, maybe this is my favorite, I'm not sure. But look at how beautiful these gold ornaments are. These are just parts of the dies and this little foliage coming out and wishing you hope and peace for the season. I think it's just a really elegant, beautiful card. Now here's another way to use the ornaments. We've put the pine bough there, layered the ornaments that are die cut with those cute little stars that we talked about, as well as a little Christmas greeting. And so this has the beautiful candy cane designer series paper that's back here, just to have that really fun, vibrant, fun Christmas look. And here's a little bell. Could you just hear it ringing? Wishing you a season decorated with happiness and wonder. I love the gold, and I don't know if can you see the snowflakes in here? I'll try to turn this a little bit, but this is a specialty paper that's got these little snowflakes that just glisten. And so as you turn the card, you can see that, as well as the gold foil. Oh, and here's another one that features that beautiful little ornament. I just love this little shape, and it just becomes the focal point. I don't know if you can see, but here we've got a flocked paper. This has a flocked dot here. I don't know if you can tell that. And this I've embossed with the wintry 3D embossing folder to give you that snowflake look. So we've got shiny, and we've got flocked, and we've got embossing. A great deal going on with this sort of monochromatic, beautiful Christmas card. And here's another one, Tidings of Comfort and Joy. What a beautiful little spray of the foliage, a great little greeting with our cute little stars adding, and more foliage in the designer series paper coming in the back as well, topped off with a gorgeous little bow and some little berries in our glitter paper. And our last project here is Peace on Earth, Goodwill to All. It's got this beautiful checked pattern. This is the Cottage designer series paper. Another piece of that, a beautiful gold bow, a very elegant but simple card to put together. Well, I know you're going to love making these cards, and I can't wait for you to be sending them to all your family and friends this holiday season.